Russia launched one of its heaviest overnight air assaults in months, striking Kyiv, Zaporizhzhia, and several other Ukrainian cities with waves of missiles and drones that killed at least 49 people and injured dozens, Ukrainian authorities said.
Russia must clearly understand that civilized countries differ from barbaric ones in that they never strike first and are not aggressors. But that does not mean they are weak, and weakness must not be shown. If there are threats of a blackout, for example, in the capital of Ukraine, then those in the Kremlin must know that they're...
The Interior Ministry reported damage to more than 60 apartment buildings, numerous private homes and several public facilities, including medical centers. Energy infrastructure and power substations were also hit, triggering blackouts across parts of the capital and the southeast. Kyiv Mayor Vitaly Klitschko said explosions echoed across the city as air defense units intercepted some of the incoming weapons. Missiles are still hitting the city, he warned, urging residents to remain in shelters. Timur Tkachenko, head of Kyiv's military administration, called it one of the largest Russian attacks on the capital and surrounding regions since the full-scale war began. Zaporizhzhia endured similar destruction. Acting City Council head Regina Karchenko described insidious tactics, an inhuman thirst for human suffering, recounting homes reduced to rubble with photographs, toys and books scattered in the debris. Ukraine's Foreign Minister Andriy Sybiha said on X that
Russia launched another massive air attack on Ukrainian cities while people were sleeping. Again, hundreds of drones and missiles, destroying residential buildings and causing civilian casualties. We must maximize the cost of further escalation for Russia.
Emergency crews worked through the night to rescue survivors, evacuate residents and restore electricity. Local officials reported dozens of people treated for shrapnel wounds and smoke inhalation. US President Donald Trump has been condemning Russia's ongoing onslaught on Ukraine and in apparent U-turn in his stance on the war.
Well, because I've been watching the way what Russia's been doing. I'm very dissatisfied with what Russia's doing and what President Putin is doing. I haven't liked it at all. He's killing people for no reason whatsoever.
The Russian Defense Ministry offered no immediate comment. Moscow has previously maintained that its missile campaigns target military and energy infrastructure to weaken Ukraine's war effort. The assault follows weeks of escalating cross-border attacks and comes as both sides brace for a protracted winter of fighting, with Ukraine seeking additional Western support to bolster air defenses and energy resilience.